What is going on, guys? Carter Payne back with another video, and today we got an exhaust for the E36. Pretty hyped. Let's go unbox and see what it looks like.
She's a wee bit rattly.
Okay. Haha. Yep. There she is. Pretty sick. This thing is so much lighter than the stock. 3-inch tips, big boy tips. This thing's sick as shit. So, there's the exhaust. We're gonna have to pull the car in. Kayla's coming later, so she's gonna help us film. But dude, this thing's sick. It has their little logo and everything, man. That's sick. This exhaust I got from FR Sport. It's by Manzo, which is like it's an eBay. It's like one higher quality than an eBay. It was $263 shipped to my door. Look who it is. What's wrong? You fell down the stairs? Okay, so the car is in the garage. We're gonna jack it up and then put on the new exhaust. We're gonna rip it and see what it sounds like.
Ready?
There's a 13 extension, 13 socket. Alright, that's really all we need. So you can see exhaust is set up. There's 2 flanges basically, and there's 2 13s and a 13 nut holding this entire thing together. It's actually pretty genius. It's way better than hangers. And that's how the front are held up by just 2 hangers. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to film this part. I'm just gonna take these off. Then we take off the bottom, this will drop, and we can put in the new one. Okay, so that's undone now. So now we're just gonna do the front hangers, and we should be able to get those off pretty easily. And the exhaust should just drop out. This is gonna be loud. Alright, and just like that, the exhaust is out. So now we're just gonna put the new one back in.
Flex, 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 flex.
Easily 60 pounds.
It's a little more than half of me.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then this one, so much lighter.
Yeah.
Okay, so those are installed. Now we just have to put on these. We just have to put on these hangers right here, and then put it on. It should sound pretty good. There was a little bit of a fitment problem putting on the hangers down there, but I think it's good. There shouldn't be an exhaust leak, but if there is, I mean, there's not too much I can do about it really. Okay, and just like that, the exhaust is done. We use these wheels just to hold up the exhaust, but now Kayla's gonna stand behind it and I'm gonna fire it up.
Turn around.
do you think it sounds, Kayla?
I think it sounds obnoxiously loud, but
Not that much
it
louder.
sounds pretty good.
It is louder. It sounds sick as shit. That's what it sounds like.
I only know things that you've taught me about cars, so if you say that it sounds good, then it sounds good.
Oh yeah. Mint.
Let me do.
So we're about to do a pool. You can get to hear what it sounds like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
My hair's all over the place right now.
That sounds good as shit.
Yes, I agree.
Like the ad said, it's not much louder. Kayla, wouldn't you agree? It's not like super loud.
It's not.
It's more just like tone. Like it just sounds better.
Yeah, it sounds the same as before. I mean, I'm not the person to
Yeah, I know.
review cars, but this is really pretty right here. It's good lighting. Jesus Christ. Fling me out of the car.
So overall, the exhaust sounds really good, but this thing sounds super sick. Super happy with it. You guys can hear that. All right, so once again, I forgot to make an outro. It is the next day. But overall, the exhaust is installed. It looks great, guys. I will show you it right now in the day. There you go. You can see it. Looks super sick. They're bigger. They stick out a little bit more. But yeah. But once again, guys, I think this is gonna be it for the video. But I really hope you enjoyed it. It could have been, I think it's on the longer side if I remember, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys next one. Make sure to like and subscribe.